So next we have pentadentate ligands. So pentadentate ligands are the ones which have 5 donor atoms and they can coordinate to the central metal atom at the same time. Ethylenediamine triacetato. So ethylenediamine triacetato. So it's a hexadentate ligand, and if you remember the pentadentate ligand that we did in the previous slide, it was ethylenediamine triacetato. So this is tetraacetato, means it has one more acetate. So let's look at how it looks like. So here we have CH2, CO, O negative, CH2, CO, O negative, CH2, CO, O negative. So till now the structure of the pentadentate ligand and the hexadentate ligand looks the same. The difference arises here. If you remember, in a pentadentate ligand there was a hydrogen atom attached here. In case of the ethylenediamine tetraacetato, there will be another acetate attached here. So if you count the coordination number or the denticity, oxygen atom can bind to the central metal atom, that is this oxygen atom, because it has a negative charge. This oxygen atom also can bind to the central metal atom, so that gives us the denticity of 2 till now. This nitrogen atom can also do the same because it has lone pair, so denticity of 3. This nitrogen atom also with denticity of 4. This oxygen atom can also bind, so it gives the denticity of 5. This oxygen atom can also bind, so it gives the denticity of 6. So at a time 6 of its donor atoms can bind to the central metal atom. So if you want to achieve the octahedral complex, octahedral complexes have coordination number of 6. So using only one of these ligands, one of the hexadentate ligand, you can achieve the entire coordination of the octahedral complex. So now let's do a question based upon these ligands. So the question asks you how many EDTA, and it has given you the entire name, ethylenediamine tetraacetic acid molecules are required to make an octahedral complex with a Ca2 positive ion. So it's tetra, this means it's a hexadentate ligand. So if it's a hexadentate ligand, means it has 6 donor atoms. So an octahedral complex requires a coordination number of 6. This means that in octahedral complex around the central metal atom there should be 6 donor atoms present. So if we talk about calcium, and calcium should make an octahedral complex, means around calcium there should be 6 donor atoms present. So we need just one molecule of EDTA to do that. Only one molecule of EDTA is enough to achieve the 6 coordination state, right? Because it has 6 donor atoms. There are nitrogen and oxygen, there are 2 nitrogens and 4 oxygens. So the correct answer is 1. That is, only one EDTA molecule is required to make an octahedral complex with Ca2 positive ion.